Yo, dog, look, let me tell you something. Stop telling your goals. Stop explaining yourself to people who cannot tell it. Your success will speak louder than your words ever could. Stay toxic.
You hold with your courage and talent, let your story be told.